Unit 1. Operating System 1.0 Introduction. In this unit, we are going to learn basics of computer. Computer is a machine that performs tasks or calculations according to a set of instructions or programs. Compared to those early machines, today's computers are amazing. Not only are they thousands of times faster, they can fit on your desk, in your lap, or even in your pocket. Computers work through an interaction of hardware and software. Hardware is physical component of a computer system. It is a tiny rectangular chip inside the computer called the Central Processing Unit, CPU, or microprocessor. It is the brain of computer, the part that translates instructions and performs calculations. Hardware items such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, and other items are often called hardware devices. Software refers to the instructions or programs that tell the hardware what to do. The operating system, OS, is system software that manages computer and the devices connected to it. OS is responsible for management and coordination of activities and the sharing of the limited resources of computer. The OS acts as a host for other application software. We will be discussing about two well-known operating systems. A. Windows operating system and B. Linux operating system. 1.1 Objectives. After going through this unit, you should be able to 1. Understand about computer and its components. 2. Features of Windows XP. 3. Know the installation procedure of Windows XP. 4. Features of Linux, Fedora. 5. Know the installation procedure of Fedora. And 6. Know the utilities and basic commands of Fedora.